Hello, geometry. This is Q4 week 4. This week we're going to talk about compound, area, and perimeter. Compound. So compound may be a word that you've heard in chemistry before. Compound is something made up of more than one component. Or part. In chemistry, we can have compounds. They're just chemicals made up of more than one element. In geometry, we're going to have compound figures. So, compound area is going to be something that's made up of more than one shape. So, compound area, finding the area of a shape that is made up of more than one basic shape. What do I mean when I say basic shape? Well, basic shapes are the simplest shapes we know. Such as circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles. Circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles. So we need to remember those. Compound perimeter we're just finding the perimeter of a compound shape. For anything compound, always break it down into the basic shapes. So what do compound shapes look like? Let's draw a couple of examples and make some non-examples. Compound shapes. Over here we're going to do some examples. Over here, non-examples. Okay, so let's say I have a shape that looks like this. This is a compound shape. It has a triangle and what's supposed to be a square. So, if I'm working with a shape like this, I want to break it down into a triangle and a square. I could also have something like this. So there's a rectangle and a semicircle. I can make this even crazier if I want. Throw a triangle on the other end. So this one's made up of a triangle, rectangle, and a semicircle. I could do another example that looks like this and say it's kind of like a donut, right? So this is a little bit different than the other two examples because I cut the middle out, but this is still compound shape because it's a circle within a circle. So I've got like an inner circle and an outer circle. So all of these are examples. Non-examples would be just our basic shapes that aren't combined. So just a triangle, just a square, just a rectangle. These aren't combined in any way. So there's our vocabulary for the week, and make sure you write down any questions and we'll do some problems in the next video.